Yeah, the 27th of March. Wednesday, mowed the grass. Mowed outside the fence up there by the street sign. And took my little flower bed 2-stroke tiller and did a light tilling to incorporate the composted chicken manure into my grow zone and raked it smooth. Right here, all the way up to the wall, is a row of little miniature carrots. They only get to 3.5 inches when mature. And Jorda had some seeds she wanted me to plant to see if they'd grow. So I took 6 of my fibrous pots and put them in the dirt. Filled them with dirt, and then put the seed in them. And I was just out here picking up trash before I mowed. Some person threw out a food container. I walk out and pick it up before I go. Put it in my trash. People got no respect. That's just all there is to it. I'm getting some real colorful birds at my bird feeder, and I can't seem to find them in my bird book. One was a real bright yellow, and another one was a deep blue, and them are regular birds. I think I want to get a martin house and pole off Amazon, purple martin, and put it at my house. Down here in northeast Texas, it said they like to eat mosquitoes. Lord knows we got mosquitoes. And they'll be here in a few days. Pretty simple install and assembly. It's that little 2-stroke tiller I keep talking about. Chinese Powermatic, power something. Power Mate. Light, easy to use. You can get it tilled down about 4 inches if you want to work yourself, versus my big Troy built. And before I do my main planting on my direct sown seeds, I want to get out the Troy built and work what would be the east side half. Of course, I can't plant anything around this manhole cover. But I can come off my carrot row about 2 foot. That gives me all this area here for my squash, my okra, watermelon, all my good stuff. So yeah, it's coming. I don't know when it's going to rain again. The weather keeps changing. I thought it was going to be in the next 2 or 3 days, but now it's showing bright sunshiny days and then cloudy days, but no call for rain whatsoever, so I don't know. And got down to 37 degrees last night. I don't know where that came from. And a couple days going to do it again. I don't know. Carrots, as long as you don't have a hard freeze, you can plant them, so they'll be fine. Of course, I fertilized my little yard up here 4 or 5 times with triple 13. Tried to choke out the grass burrs. I want to tell you, that thing is thick now. She's looking good. Triple 13 fertilizer is cheap. And for this little area, 1 bag lasts a really long time. And, so yeah, it's coming along nicely. I got here one day this week with a wheelbarrow and picker-upper thing and pick up all the limbs in my parking lot, wheel them around to where that green pile is over there. That's some trimmings from my house. Get a decent pile. I get my big chipper out. Starting a compost pile over there. I was going to put a wall around 3 sides of it. Yeah, what the hell, don't really need it. So I'll just do a freestanding compost pile. So anyway, I got about all for this one. Thank you.